What's up, guys? Today we are going to install our 350Z Pro Steering lock kit. It is super easy and super simple, and anyone can do it in their home garage. You won't need a lift for this job. However, to make the installation process easier and to shoot everything with as much parts visible as possible, we're doing it on the lift. Our kit comes with knuckle, lower arm, upper arm, tie rod, relocator with dedicated bolt. And it would be nice for you not to lose this bolt, because you can't buy it in any shop. As for the hub assembly, you'll have to reuse the one you have on the car or get a new one. The kit comes pre-assembled. It is prepared by our team here at the shop. Everything is where it needs to be, every bolt, every shim, every spacer and every washer, except for this one, which goes at the bolt that is protruding from the chassis. It goes here. Before cutting away the zip ties, take notes of how the shims on the uniballs are assembled, and also you can adjust your bump steer, if there will come any, depends on your ride height, by moving these shims to here or to here, however it will suit you. If you still have questions about the kit, you can reach out to me, the technical guy. Hello! You can reach out to our technical support, sales team, and they will be happy. I will be also happy to answer any of your questions. Also, you can find entire assembly part by part listed on our website, and the link is in the description of the video. We will start with putting in the upper arm first. Next in line will be tie rod relocator with the bolt. Okay, next in line, lower control arm. Now it's the time for the knuckle. Very important, chamfer on the top, towards the bolt. And the cherry on top will be the tie rod assembly. Here you can see lock limiter. It will just hit the arm at the moment when you will set it to. Okay, as you can see, here are the 4 main points to adjust the geometry. They will be preset in the package, so you don't have to touch them at all, but if you are willing to, you can. After you are done adjusting the things, make sure that the rotating part of the uniball is perpendicular to the axis of the bolt that goes through it, to ensure that you won't go out of the motion range of the uniball, cause binding, and if you will be very unfortunate to make things break. Those shims you are seeing here are for user-friendly Ackermann adjustment, and you have center offset, 3mm offset and 6mm offset, and you can flip them both ways in order to get additional positive Ackermann or negative Ackermann.